Hello at welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And another recipe, no cooking ulit. Hindi naman sa tinatamad na tayo magluto. It's just that we want to give you other options of what to cook. Especially if yung mga bago pa lang na nag-venture out into their kitchen. These are just a few recipes na pwede natin umpisahan. So for today, I'll just be showing you how we make smoothie bowls. Diba usong-usong smoothie bowls? Diba napakamahal din niya. May iba nga doon when you eat out, parang $4.50 for one bowl. Minsan $3.50, depende. Because nga, we freeze our fruits. This is how we make our smoothie bowl and it's much, much easier. So I'm not gonna say what fruits because I don't know anong fruits na sa refrigerator. But basically, I do know we have a kiwi in the freezer. So it's kiwi smoothie bowl and I know my yogurt, ano ba yung flavor ng yogurt ko? It's mango. So it's gonna be a mango kiwi smoothie topped with granola, pumpkin seeds, and question mark. Dahil ko pa alam ano yung fruits na sa refrigerator. So let's go! Okay. So basically, since we freeze, galing tong freezer, it's easy to crack it, just like ice. I cannot emphasize enough, if you have a food processor, that's exactly what you need. So ito, yung kiwi, it's very smooth. Yan. Yan. So this is the smoothie bowl. Mango siya. So you can just put any of your favorite brand na yogurt. Why do I prefer this yogurt than the rest? Kasi nga, I just like it kasi it's thicker. Tsaka para siyang feeling ko lang, pag thicker, mas mataas yung probiotic. Feeling ko lang. And hindi siya masyadong matamis. Personally, the yogurt I like is yung may tartiness yung flavor. Yung medyo maasim pa siya. Yan, that's what I like. We're just gonna close it. And it's such a colorful dish. Diba meron tayo before ginawa yung omelette na walang carbs. So this is one of those pang breakfast din na hindi carbs. Siyempre, lalo na pag yung cholesterol pinapababa, so puro oatmeal. So this is just one of those options that you can do. Ayan. So ito, we're just waiting for it to smoothen out, no? Kaya nga, you need a very powerful food processor. This is Cuisinart, but there's so many. Actually, bago ko gamitin to, ang tagal-tagal ng Molinex sa amin. Yun yung ginagamit kong brand before that. I don't endorse any of them. I'm just simply sharing ano yung experience ko with them, no? The Molinex lasted us for like 8 years, no? 8 years bago ko na-change. So, some smoothie bowl, mag-a-add sila ng moringa. Yung tinatawag na moringa powder, yung malunggay powder. You can do that also, or even fresh. If meron akong kale, I will add kale. But there's no kale. So, I'm just making sure na talagang naka-mix well and very smooth na yung kiwi because magiging buo-buo siya. No? When you say smoothie bowl, you can use a lot of fruits. A lot of the fruits na ginagamit are bananas. No? So, you will see bananas with chocolate and peanut butter. So, that's a very popular smoothie bowl. Mango is a very popular smoothie bowl. Or yung mga berries. I guess the berries is popular kasi nga may mga frozen berries. So, it's easy to make it with smoothie bowls. But for me, one of my rule and one of the reasons why kiwi, we grow locally. We don't really grow. Except for strawberries, we already grow. So, I'll make it into a smoothie bowl. So, ang rule ko lang, gumagawa ka ng smoothie bowl pag yung prutas grown here. Kasi ibig sabihin fresh, no? Hindi siya talagang frozen. I mean, I bought this kiwi fresh, and then I just froze it para mas mag-last. See, look at that. So beautiful. Sobrang tigas pa niya. So, ang gagawin ko is we will add another yogurt. I'll probably make use of half. So this is another flavor. Kasi nga, it's too thick. Imagine mo, it's ice. So, I'm just gonna... Hindi ko in-add lahat sa yogurt. There you go. So now, I'm just gonna divide it. So it's very light. See, look at the texture. And of course, it's very hot. Kaya mabilis melt. Basically, the fruits we have available is mangoes and melon. So this is mixed. Kung anong granola na kukuha ko, I just mix it all up. So meron dito coconut, merong nuts, and it has chia seeds and flax seeds para anti-cancer. Yan. Mangoes here. Mangoes here. I love making smoothie bowls because it's so colorful. Especially, like, kunyari, binibigay ko to sa husband ko for breakfast. And It really gets to me pag bigla sabihin niyo, wow, yung kinikilig siya because it's so colorful. I feel very happy na I feel light. So ito, I got this from the Turkish Bazaar. So I will add more pumpkin seeds because pumpkin seed has a lot of antioxidants. And lastly, you would want honey. Not to make it sweet, but because of the health benefits there. This is wild honey. Kita mo naman yung color eh. Halatang walang sugar, di ba? It's really wild and fresh. And there you go. This is our homemade smoothie bowl. Kiwi and mango smoothie bowl topped with melon, granola, mangoes, and of course, wild honey. So only here at Kusina ni Mrs. O, it's another breakfast option para sa ating lahat. Napakainit. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. Papatikim na natin siya. So again, tip ko lang sa inyo, kahit anong gusto ninyong yogurt, pwedeng-pwede basta favorite ninyo. Yan. There you go. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Okay. Wala na taste tester, ako na lang. So, 2 ways, pwede niyong i-mix or pwedeng kainin as is. It's so tart. Sarap, lamig. Sarap. Sarap.